Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to restoration vintage Mecca brand stereo tip deck 8-track player. According to my plan, I will modification this player into an integrated amplifier with a new USB player input. 8-track cassettes are hard to find here, so this device needs to be modified to keep it working. According to the information I received, this brand was made in Nagoya, Japan around 1970 by Maruwa Electronic Chemical Company Limited. Let's immediately see the step to modify and change it into an integrated amplifier. Unscrew these two screws to the stand to the car. Then unscrew the 4 screws on the bottom of this player. The screwdriver I used was not magnetic, so I needed to have a tweezer to pull off the screw out. After I open it, there are several components that are model and also all model. This is one of the interesting things that I and all of us. This is what all electronic devices looks like. Pulley of DC motor has lost its fan belt. The rotation of this motor movement is smooth. This indicates that the mechanics inside are still good. I feel the flywheel rotation is also smooth. There is a transformer here to suppress the hum. Perhaps this is a TO3 transistor shape. Stereo or double potentiometer is a for volume and next to it is potentiometer for tone only. The 2 screws on the right and left side must be unscrewed. This is the key to opening the front panel. On 2 screws on top of knob, the volume and tone are also to be unscrewed. Pull the front panel toward the front. And then you will see the head, flywheel end. And this is a door where the cassette goes in and out. And on the back there are hinges and slots. Now we should remove both knots of this potentiometer. To pull or see the chassis in this tip player, we need to open 2 screws, each of which has 2 pieces on the left side and 2 pieces on the right side. I actually admire to maker of this player because I see this in the past. This was very heavy and the price was quite expensive. But now it might be in the antique. Try to see inside. What is the purpose of the components? And it is very strong and heavy duty. Basically, this player is very old and should be able to run it and need maintenance cleaning as well. The component that I am rotating is called a potentiometer for balance, and this appears to be a wire 1 power resistor. It seems that we have to do a recap because generally the resistor has been dry for a long time. Sometimes we need to test this micro switch. It is best that we need to remove this 5 wire to make it easier for us to replace the capacitor.